With the foundation of blockchain and gathering on the advantages of decentralized finance, DeFi, Elrond set the standard of being the first blockchain on the planet with the certifiable state sharding plan for pragmatic versatility, killing energy and computational waste while guaranteeing circulated reasonableness through a protected evidence of stake agreement component. This remarkable component means that information connected with exchanges will generally get accumulated independently and not among the other data on a similar block, consequently working with the dramatic speed of exchanges. Allow us to investigate the ongoing subtleties of Elrond and comprehend the Elrond cost expectation for what's in store. Elrond entered crypto space in the year 2020, having serious areas of strength for and on security. Elrond network has worked to guarantee protection from known security issues like the Sybil assault. Without a doubt, Elrond has extraordinary potential and will generally be the most alluring digital currency, predominantly for its local token, Egld, that guarantees high versatility security combined with speed scaling, a pinnacle of $200 without a doubt on a more profound specialized investigation at the cost. Elrond empowers consent-less, line-less, worldwide exchanges and embraces the web economy advancement. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of Egld tokens as impetuses in carrying out brilliant agreement expenses and move reserves. The most important variables that drive the cost of Elrond are the speed and reasonableness that empower speedier enhancements execution, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. Egld, the ups and downs, the diamonds and crowns. Presently, the Elrond cost today is exchanging around $191.29, with a slight brief revision throughout recent hours. The market capitalization has expanded to $4,150,898,333.52 with a flowing stockpile of 21,694,175 Egld. A ton can be said about the verifiable excursion. A sharp ascent went into the revision stage, and in the span of a month, the exchanging volume remained at $261,802,037.55. Almost comparable patterns in bends went until 2017. In December, the Egld cost shot up, trailed by a cost revision in 2018 summers. The lazy stage went on for the digital money, and the option of Egld added a leap forward. The start of 2019 was a gift for this platform as the Egld token was recorded on the well-known tray. Aside from that, there were numerous gifts declared by the designers through survey advertisements for cash, raising the toast to a noteworthy $177. The coin got some forward movement. The subsiding period of pandemic brought overflow aplenty for the coin, giving it a steady bullish push, despite the fact that set in a profoundly unstable universe of digital currencies. Good factors like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly vital part in impacting ventures. The essential target of the Elrond Group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and, simultaneously, protection. Tracking down harmony in both could be an extreme test. In light of a sensible calculation, Elrond has both momentary meetings and possible long-haul benefits. In view of the Elrond Egld cost forecast and our own examination, the Egld coin might reach $184.42 constantly Zen, as per the future cost expectations in Elrond figure by Gov Capital. The Elrond Egld cost is anticipated at $870.91 toward the finish of 2022. In light of the Elrond cost figure done by Wallet Financial Backer, Egld's cost is supposed to arrive at a sign of $252.58 toward the finish of 2022, and cost is supposed to reach $612.27 following 5 years. Egld is a courageous undertaking to exchange and one of the quickly developing fragments. It is a greater number of bulls than bears. As per the forecasts, it isn't publicity that it would cross another high around the $248.49 mark by 2023, bringing about a beneficial speculation. In view of the Elrond conjecture, there is a major variety between the base and most extreme cost, which makes it challenging to choose whether to purchase Elrond or not. Consequently, it is ideal to accept the base forecast as a rule, affirming it as help of $210.21, best case scenario. Elrond could become triple from the ongoing cost level in 6 years, say by 2026. It ought to have a reasonable convention around $250.40 to $310.60, and it will enroll another unsurpassed high in the long haul. One's ongoing venture may be worth in the year 2026. As per the Egld cost forecast, it appears Elrond cash is ill-fated. Egld could exchange with a flattish cost pattern and solidify around $200 by the principal quarter of 2022. In spite of the fact that there are changes and advancements occurring in Elrond blockchain innovation, this resource stayed lazy to move an inch. To put it authentically, numerous financial backers didn't have the foggiest idea about the resource even existed, albeit the primary explanation is as yet unclear. There is news that might be because of engineers proclaiming their innovative progression, and a special occasion caused the trigger, guaranteeing brought together blockchain, online protection and expression, and all the more critically a reality. According to the verifiable information and specialized examination, since November 2021, the cost was showing rectification, despite the fact that there was a slight recuperation saw in the principal 7-day stretch of April 2022. However, after that the cost again fell. On the off chance that the cost goes up, Elrond cost will show a positive pattern sooner rather than later. Elrond value expectations 2022 to 2026. Elrond value expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital currency market, Elrond is good to go to insist serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backers certainty continues blasting, bringing about a critical push to the cost of Elrond, taking it to cross all obstructions scaling $217.82. As indicated by the Egld cost expectation 2022, the normal cost is supposed to reach $205.93 and lease cost to $192.35. Elrond value expectation 2023. As per our Elrond cost expectations specialists, these elements can help this symbolic increase a lot greater cost of $248.49 and lease cost of $207.38. The typical cost of Elrond may be $230.69. On the off chance that the drive for useful crypto market go on into 2023, the Egld cost might try and see a worldview rush. These costs show more development than that of Elrond cost forecast 2022. Elrond value forecast 2024. There may be slight revisions saw in the year 2024 when contrasted with 2023. There are suppositions by our Elrond Egld cost expectation specialists its base worth could reach $192.64. Greatest cost might reach $285.44 and normal cost of Elrond to $224.81. The blessing is finished by significantly security and adaptability highlights. The thrilling special endeavors might wrap up making the financial backers gather the increases and make it a productive venture. This may be an ideal opportunity to trade Elrond. Elrond value forecast 2025. Elrond is likewise dynamic in local area drives. Taking into account they keep up the energy, gathering a critical market cap, their drives zeroing in on training, effort, and developments might take them to a greatest worth of $326.74. To realize other coin conjectures, then actually look at our post on cost expectation for cryptographic money. Elrond value forecast 2026. On the off chance that the crypto market turn ideal, the Egld cost is set to break all obstructions and perform abundantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. However, there may be slight amendment in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. As per our Elrond Egld cost expectation, supported by hardy savvy gets, the Elrond cost may handily contact